in the world of romantic connections. There are various types of relationships that people experience. Two of the most intriguing and often misunderstood relationships are twin flames and karmic relationships. While they may share some similarities, they have distinct characteristics that set them apart. In this video, we will delve into the depths of twin flames and karmic relationships, exploring their definitions, differences, and the impact they have on personal growth and spiritual evolution. Are you tired of the ups and downs in your karmic relationship? Do you seek guidance and healing through the power of Reiki? Or perhaps you are eager to unlock the mysteries of your karmic or twin flame relationship through the insightful art of tarot readings. Look no further. At blazegoldburst.com, we offer a sanctuary for those seeking spiritual enlightenment and healing. Connect with us on social media or drop us an email and let us help you on your journey to finding answers and nurturing your soul. Understanding twin flames. Twin flames are often referred to as the other half of one's soul. This soul connection goes beyond the realms of traditional romantic relationships. It is a profound spiritual bond that transcends time and space. Twin flames are two individuals who share the same energy source and have a divine mission to meet and evolve together during their lifetime. When twin flames encounter each other, they experience an intense emotional and physical connection. It feels as if they have known each other for eternity, and they share a deep understanding of each other's thoughts, feelings, and desires. Communication between twin flames flows effortlessly, often reaching a telepathic level. Twin flame relationships are characterized by their fiery nature. The emotions that twin flames experience for each other are incredibly intense, both positive and negative. This intensity can make the relationship challenging to navigate at times. However, twin flames also have impeccable chemistry. They are inherently alike, yet their differences complement each other, creating a harmonious union in all aspects of life. The journey of twin flames is not an easy one. It requires personal growth, healing, and self-improvement. However, the rewards of a twin flame connection are profound. Twin flames support each other's spiritual evolution and help each other reach their full potential. They are destined to be together, even if they experience temporary separations. Twin flame relationships have the potential for reunion and the creation of a deep and lasting bond. Unraveling karmic relationships. In contrast to the intense and transformative nature of twin flame connections, karmic relationships are often characterized by toxicity and stagnation. A karmic relationship is a manifestation of karmic energy, usually originating from past lives. It is a relationship that involves intense suffering and serves as an opportunity for personal growth and spiritual awakening. Karmic relationships can be confusing and challenging to identify, as they can initially appear to be exciting and fulfilling. However, over time, the toxic dynamics of a karmic relationship become apparent. These relationships often involve codependency, control, manipulation, and emotional or even physical abuse. The purpose of a karmic relationship is to awaken individuals to their unresolved issues, traumas, and negative patterns. It is through these relationships that individuals have the opportunity to heal and transcend their karmic patterns. Karmic relationships are not meant to last forever. Their purpose is to teach important lessons and facilitate personal growth. Once the karmic debt has been paid and the lessons have been learned, individuals can move on to healthier and more fulfilling connections. Differentiating twin flames and karmic relationships. While twin flames and karmic relationships may share certain elements, there are distinct differences that set them apart. Let's explore these differences in more detail. Purpose and mission. Twin flames have a shared purpose and mission to evolve spiritually together. They support each other's growth and help each other reach their full potential. The connection between twin flames is rooted in unconditional love and understanding. In contrast, karmic relationships serve as a means for individuals to to work through their karmic patterns and heal unresolved issues. These relationships are often marked by challenges, suffering, and toxicity. The purpose of a karmic relationship is to awaken individuals to their negative patterns and facilitate personal growth. Emotional connection. Twin flame connections are characterized by a deep and profound emotional bond. Twin flames understand each other on a soul level, and their connection goes beyond words. They share a sense of oneness and experience intense emotions for each other. On the other hand, karmic relationships may initially feel intense, but they lack the depth and authenticity of a twin flame connection. The emotional connection in a karmic relationship is often overshadowed by toxic dynamics such as control, manipulation, and emotional turmoil. Growth and healing. Twin flame relationships are catalysts for personal growth and healing. The intense emotions and challenges that arise in a twin flame connection push individuals to confront their fears, insecurities, and unresolved traumas. Through this process, twin flames support each other's healing and evolution. Karmic relationships also offer opportunities for growth and healing, but in a different way. They bring to the surface deep rooted issues and patterns that need to be addressed. Karmic relationships highlight areas where individuals need to heal and grow, often through painful experiences. Support and harmony. Twin flame relationships are characterized by mutual support, understanding, and harmony. Twin flames are committed to each other's well being and growth. They strive to create a harmonious and balanced union, supporting each other through the challenges that arise. In contrast, karmic relationships lack the support and harmony found in twin flame connections. These relationships often involve power struggles, control, and manipulation. The focus is on individual needs rather than the well being of both partners. Duration and reunion. Twin flame relationships have the potential to last a lifetime, even if there are temporary separations along the way. The bond between twin flames is unbreakable, and they are drawn to each other despite any obstacles they may face. Reunion is a common theme in twin flame journeys, as twin flames strive to come together and create a deep and lasting connection. Karmic relationships, on the other hand, are not meant to last indefinitely. Once the karmic debt has been paid and the lessons have been learned, individuals are encouraged to move on to healthier and more fulfilling connections. The end of a karmic relationship signifies the completion of a cycle and the opportunity for personal growth. Navigating the twin flame journey. Embarking on a twin flame journey is a transformative and challenging experience. It requires dedication, self-reflection, and a willingness to confront deep-seated issues. Here are some insights to help navigate the twin flame journey. Self-reflection and personal growth. Self-reflection is crucial in the twin flame journey. It is essential to examine your own thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Through self-reflection, you can identify patterns, fears, and limiting beliefs that may be hindering your personal growth and the progress of your twin flame connection. Committing to personal growth is an integral part of the twin flame journey. This involves working on yourself, healing past wounds, and expanding your consciousness. By focusing on your own growth, you become better equipped to support your twin flame and contribute to the evolution of your connection. Embracing challenges and lessons. Challenges are an inherent part of the twin flame journey. They serve as opportunities for growth, healing, and transformation. Embrace these challenges with an open mind and a willingness to learn. Recognize that every obstacle is an invitation for personal evolution and a deeper understanding of yourself and your twin flame. Lessons in a twin flame journey can be profound and life-changing. They often revolve around themes of self-love, forgiveness, boundaries, and surrender. Embrace these lessons and allow them to guide your personal growth and the evolution of your connection with your twin flame. Balancing individuality and union. Maintaining a balance between individuality and union is essential in a twin flame relationship. While the connection with your twin flame is incredibly strong, it is important to nurture your own identity, passions, and aspirations. Encourage your twin flame to do the same. Strive for a harmonious union that allows both individuals to grow and evolve independently while supporting each other's journey. Recognize that the twin flame connection is a partnership of equals where both individuals contribute to the growth and well being of the relationship. Trusting the divine timing. Trust in the divine timing of your twin flame journey. Understand that the universe has its own plan and timeline for your reunion and evolution of your connection. Avoid forcing or rushing the process. Instead, focus on your own personal growth and trust that everything will unfold as it is meant to. Trust in the journey itself and have faith in the ultimate union with your twin flame. Surrender to the divine guidance and embrace the lessons and growth that come along the way. Trust that the challenges and separations are part of the journey's purpose and that they will eventually lead to a deeper and more fulfilling connection. In the realm of romantic connections, twin flames and karmic relationships stand out as unique and transformative experiences. While both types of relationships offer opportunities for growth and personal evolution, they differ in their purpose, dynamics, and ultimate outcomes. Twin flame connections are characterized by a deep and profound spiritual bond that transcends time and space. These connections are transformative and push individuals towards healing, self improvement, and spiritual growth. Twin flame relationships are marked by support, understanding, and a deep sense of connection. On the other hand, karmic relationships are manifestations of karmic energy and serve as opportunities for personal growth and healing. These relationships can be toxic, challenging, and often involve power struggles and control. Karmic relationships are meant to teach important lessons and facilitate personal evolution. Understanding the differences between twin flames and karmic relationships is crucial in navigating these unique connections. By embracing personal growth, self reflection, and trust in the journey, individuals can navigate their twin flame journey with grace, understanding, and a commitment to their own personal evolution. Lord's Ordinary Children by Geetashri Pani is a captivating book that explores the transformative power of storytelling. In this unconventional tale, four youths cross paths with an elderly couple, leading them on a journey of profound connection and personal growth. The story house becomes a catalyst for their bonding, leaving a lasting impact on their lives. Geetashri Pani expertly weaves a narrative that delves into the universal human experience of forgetfulness and the inertia that often plagues us in our fast-paced world. Order your copy of this thought-provoking book today and embark on a journey of self-reflection and rediscovery. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Blaze Goldburst, the CEO of Blaze Goldburst Technologies. If you are new to this channel, subscribe now, like and share this video.